Hi everyone, today we will talk about surface area of a cube. Let us recall that a cube is a three-dimensional figure which has exactly 6 congruent square faces. And this is how it looks like. Now here are the other nets of a cube. Though they are formed differently, they all have exactly 6 congruent square faces. Now if you will get the area of all the square faces of a cube and add them all together, you're actually getting the surface area of a cube. Therefore, surface area is the sum of all the areas of the faces of a certain solid figure. So how exactly do we get the surface area of a cube? Again, to get the surface area of a cube, you simply have to add all the areas of the 6 congruent square faces. Okay, so we'll have surface area of a cube is equal to s squared plus 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 s squared. Okay, we can simplify this formula by simply multiplying the area of one square face by 6 because remember, the shorthand method of repeated addition is multiplication. Okay, so since the area of this square face here is just the same with the area of the other 5 square faces because they are congruent, we can just simply get the area of one square face and multiply it by 6. Now let's try to find the area of the following cubes. For our first example, we have here a cube whose side measures 4 centimeters. Using our formula, which is surface area of a cube equals 6s squared, let us substitute 4 centimeters to s. So we'll have 6 times 4 centimeters squared, and that will give us 6 times 16 square centimeters, which is equal to 96 square centimeters. So the surface area of this cube, whose side measures 4 centimeters, is equal to 96 square centimeters. Next, this time we are given a cube whose side measures 5 centimeters. Again, following our formula, we'll have 6 times 5 centimeters squared is equal to 6 times 25 square centimeters, which is equivalent to 150 square centimeters. So the surface area of this cube is 150 square centimeters. Another example, we have here a cube whose side measures 6 centimeters. Using our formula, 6s squared, we'll have 6 times 6 centimeters squared, that's equal to 6 times 36 square centimeters, and 6 times 36 square centimeters is equal to 216 square centimeters. So this is our surface area. Now let's try to solve this word problem. Joshua has a cube-shaped room that he wants to paint. Each side measures 8 meters. What is the surface area he needs to paint, including the floor? Okay, so it's given that the room is a cube-shaped room. Okay, and the side measures 8 meters. So for us to solve for the amount of surface he needs to paint, including the floor, we'll just have to use the formula in finding the surface area of a cube, which is 6s squared. Substituting the given information in our formula, we'll have 6 times 8 meters squared, and 8 meters squared is equal to 64 square meters. Then we still have to multiply it to 6 because again, a cube has 6 congruent square faces. So this is just the area of one square face. Multiplying it by 6 will give us the area or the surface area of the cube-shaped room, which is equal to 384 square meters. So the total area he needs to paint is 384 square meters. And that's it for our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for listening.